Hi, today we got an Apple Watch. It's a Series 3, 38 millimeter. And for some reason, the wrist activation isn't working. If we tap on it, it'll come on. And it'll switch to whatever, I've got like a screensaver on there. But when I rotate it, it'll shut off, but it won't come back on. It's kind of weird. Unless I tap on the screen. I already checked the settings and the wrist activation is on. So we're going to go ahead and take this a little bit apart on the back side, take these little wrist things off, and then just clean it. Maybe that's what's wrong with it. But yeah, the wrist activation just stopped working for some reason. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so we need to pull this little wrist thing off. I believe it has a little thing you push down on here. Get that off. I'm going to take off just the one side. And then I'm just going to take some alcohol. This one's a 70%. And try to clean this really good. I don't know if the sensors or what's going on here, but this thing just stopped functioning all of a sudden. Clean it all. A little bit dirty. Pour a little more alcohol in the towel. Try to clean that up really good. Oops, I'm taking pictures. Let's see if that'll help it or not. Then we back out. No, that didn't do it. Still comes back on, shuts off, but it won't come back on with the wrist activation, so it's not dirty. What if we do a hard reset? Let's go into our settings. Let's see if you can see. Our settings. Okay, we'll go into the settings, and then we're going to go into general. Just want to check these here, make sure they're on. They're on. So we're just going to go ahead and hit reset. So it's going to erase all the contents from here. So I'm going to try to reset the whole watch. Take this thing off. Holding my hand here. That position is not comfortable. Now you see, like, it's got like this little ring starting to do its thing. Okay. So now the watch here is saying it's like ready to pair. Let's see what we got. It says bring the phone. Put my code in here. Just bring the phone, if you put it over the top. Oops. There it is. So now it's telling us to line it up. We're just going to restore it from backup. See if that'll work. It as a new watch. Let's see if this will function. Go ahead and agree. Sorry about that. So here we go. So I put in my, actually put in my Apple ID and my security code in there. And then in here it's just asking us on analysis if we want Apple to learn more about our analytics on here. So you can share or don't share. I'm going to share it. I don't really care. And then here, let's see what here. Got my Apple. Okay, all good. And I'm not going to add a password. You can add a password at that time if you want. You're up to date. Continue. SOS. Continue. So now it says the Apple Watch is syncing. You can see that there. So all we gotta do is wait now. I just got this message on my phone. It says your Apple ID phone number are now being used for iMessage on a new Apple Watch. You already says signed in. Okay. So now it says, you know, obviously it says here, your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your Apple Watch, or your iPhone, I'm sorry, as you would normally. So we're just going to close all that out. Let this thing do what it's doing. And it's at about less than a quarter up here, like, I don't know if you can see that little white thing on there. Okay, now this thing says now, your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Okay. It worked! Ha ha ha! All that for that, it worked. So if you do a hard reset on it and then resync the watch, it will work. Voila. Thanks for watching.